One of the things that we have to embrace and start modeling for other people is journaling.
Journaling, so starting in May, I actually started playing around with it, and it actually helped me a whole lot, just keeping me accountable and seeing what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. And it works, done me more good than harm.
So many traders who don't journal. And so for a lot of traders that lack patience or they don't understand their strategy, or you strategy hop from one strategy to another, you need to stick with one thing. Once you find something that fits your personality and schedule, you want to complete a journal of, I would say, a minimum of 100 trades. The more, the better. But what a journal is going to provide for you, you don't know where you're going unless you know where you've been. So you need to be able to understand the pairs or assets that you're trading, right? It's going to reveal to you if you're risking too much or if you're not maybe taking on more than you could. It's also going to tell you the proper times you need to be trading, whether your strategy is working. It's going to reveal your strengths and weaknesses.
Man, honestly, I'm not in that fancy trade zealot. I don't do all that. My journal is very sloppy, but it gets it done for me. So I just take a Google Drive and I put 2 documents. I screenshot the before, I screenshot the after, and I slap it into my losing side or my winning side, whatever happens.
So they don't all have to be live trades. They can be back tested. They can also, if you swing trade, they can be re-entry trades that you might take. So just making sure you have some type of data to analyze and grow from is important.
My best advice is to really find a daily routine and do not break it.
With trading, you need to have an established daily routine. Once you have your set of rules, don't break them. If you give yourself 30 days of just following your rules and not breaking them, no matter how you feel or how excited you get about a setup, you'll be profitable.
So consistency and profit is key. So you have to be accountable to yourself. And if you're accountable to yourself in your trading plan, and it has to be written out either on paper or on a computer, and you follow it to a T, your trading psychology will be out the roof. You don't have to worry about losses.
If you create a number that you're willing to walk away every day, 250, you walk away, you're done for the day. Go home, bro. That rule right there is why I still have money.
If it's a losing day, I'm done by like 10 o'clock. All right, I'm done. I'm not going to keep chasing the market. If I already lost 2-3 trades, I'm done.
Tend to only trade for 1 hour during London and 1 hour during New York, because you don't want to be getting up at 3 a.m. to place a trade, right? You're not going to make sound decisions doing that.
Over time, I realized, hey, I lose more at nighttime. I'm not going to trade at night anymore. I kind of stopped trading on Mondays because I noticed I lose on Mondays. I do not wish to stare at the charts all day.
There's more to life than sitting in a chair. So adopting things like kill zones is big.
If you've only had 2 hours of sleep, then your decision making is not going to be clear. What happens when a trade reverses on you and you didn't expect it? You have to be able to think quickly on your feet. You're not going to be able to do that on 2 hours of sleep.
This market that we're in levels the playing field. You don't have to interview for this job. You don't have to get dressed for this job. You can sit with you and your computer and make your money work.
The best advice I can give, man, stop watching people on Instagram for you to get all routed up in your emotions to go make dumb decisions in the charts.
For people who are really wanting to do this full time, make sure you got extra income or a really big safety net before you take that leap of faith, because at the end of the day, it's going to make it less stressful for you.
When I cut out drinking and smoking, financials was horrible. I'm like, hold on. I stopped this stuff. But I realized this is character habits that you have accumulated over years. So you can't expect a drastic change immediately. But the moment you make the decision is just to do it every day. Are you chart working every day, right? Despite you trading or not, are you on the charts?
Nobody goes broke taking profit. If I come to the market and if I only make $100 that day, guess what? I only made $100. I'm still applying my strategy based on the setup that I see day in and day out.
Dude, I'd be up like 75, 100 points, staring at $700, $800, not closing it, right? I wanted more. In the back of my head, I'm like, I need to make back X, Y, Z.
If you answer who, what, when, where, how, and why, then you've answered everything that anybody wants to know. Who is controlling the market? Why are they controlling the market? What are they doing? When are they doing it? Where are they doing it? If you can answer those questions, you can trade.